in Andhra Pradesh from today. Planning to visit Meghalaya? This autumn is the best time. Creating buzz amongst the tourists, Meghalaya government launched Autumn Calendar 2022, where a string of activities where a confluence of traditional and modern festivity can be witnessed. Estimating an expenditure of approximately Rs 12 to 15 crore, Meghalaya government is targeting an increase in tourist inflow. Two sporting events are in the mix: the Northeast Olympic Games from October 30th to November 6th in Greater Shillong and the Megha Kayak Fest from October 13th to 16th in Ribhoi. There will also be a boating regatta in Umyam from November 2nd to 6th, Meghalaya International Film Festival from December 12th to 16th, and Winter Tales Festival from December 12th to 17th. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma informed that this year the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival will be held from November 17th to 26th.
We have decided that we should come out with a proper systematic calendar of events so that a tourist is easily able to identify and take a decision on where he or she would want to go. And hence, today we are here to announce the calendar of events for the autumn season for Meghalaya.